most men miss these signs that a woman is sexually attracted to you. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever wondered if a woman is sexually attracted to you but felt unsure about the signs? Today we're going to uncover the signals that many men often miss that indicate a woman's sexual attraction. And by the end of this video, you will have a keen eye for these telltale signs, giving you a clearer understanding of her interest. Oh, and don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all of these points together beautifully. It's a crucial piece of advice for effectively responding to these signs, enhancing your understanding and approach, so stay tuned for it. Compliments with a sexual undertone. Our first point is about understanding compliments. Sometimes compliments can have a subtle sexual undertone that's easy to miss. So let's discuss why these kinds of compliments are significant and how to recognize them. Compliments with a sexual undertone aren't always overtly explicit. Instead, they can be subtle and nuanced, making them easy to overlook. These might include comments on your physical appearance that hint at attraction, like mentioning how strong you look in your outfit or how a certain colour enhances your eyes in a flirtatious way. The key is to pay attention to how she says it, the tone, the look in her eyes, and the context. These compliments might be her way of expressing physical attraction without being too direct. Recognizing these hints can give you insight into her level of interest. Sexually toned compliments are significant because they indicate more than just casual admiration. They suggest a deeper level of physical attraction. When a woman uses such undertones, it implies she's not only noticing your physical traits, but is also attracted to them in a more intimate way. Suggestive body language. Our second point involves understanding body language. Suggestive and open body language can be a key indicator of attraction. So let's learn how to notice these cues and what they might mean. Suggestive body language includes actions that subtly indicate sexual interest. Now, this can manifest as more open and inviting postures, like leaning towards you, uncrossing arms, or maintaining prolonged eye contact. She might also mirror your movements, touch her lips or hair, or expose her neck by tilting her head. Now, these gestures are often unconscious and can signal that she's comfortable with you and possibly interested in more than just a conversation. It's important to observe these signs within the context of your interaction. Understanding and recognizing these nonverbal cues can be crucial in identifying her level of interest. Suggestive body language is significant as it often conveys attraction more honestly than words. These gestures, when combined with other signs of interest, can indicate a strong physical and sexual attraction towards you. It's about reading the unspoken cues that show she's not only interested but possibly desiring a closer connection. Finding reasons for physical contact. Notice if she finds reasons to touch you, even casually. This behaviour can be quite telling. So let's understand why these small moments of contact might signify more than just friendly gestures. Physical contact, even when it seems casual, can be a strong indicator of sexual attraction. Now, this might include light touches on your arm, brushing against you in passing, or a playful nudge. These actions often appear incidental, but they can signify a desire for physical closeness. So pay attention to the frequency and nature of these touches. Are they more frequent or lingering than you would expect in a regular conversation? Such physical interactions, especially when combined with other signs of attraction, can suggest that she's comfortable with you and might be interested in escalating the level of intimacy. Finding reasons for physical contact is significant because touch is a powerful communicator of attraction. It's a way of breaking the physical barrier and expressing interest on a more intimate level. These subtle touches can indicate her comfort with you and a desire to establish a closer, more personal connection. Before we dive into the next sign, here's a small favour to ask. If this video is helping you out, please show some support with a like, a comment, or a subscribe. It helps us understand what content works for you. And don't hesitate to share your views in the comments. I'm always eager to read them. Showing jealousy or interest in your dating life. Our next point deals with emotional responses. Pay attention to signs of jealousy or keen interest when you talk about other women or your dating life. Let's explore why these reactions can be significant indicators of attraction. When a woman shows signs of jealousy or asks about your dating life, it can be a subtle hint of her interest in you. If she seems curious or slightly bothered when you mention other women, it might indicate that she sees you more than just a friend. Her reactions could range from asking probing questions to displaying a change in mood. It's important to observe these responses without jumping to conclusions. These signs suggest that she is emotionally invested in your relationship status, which can be an indicator of her own interest in being more than just a friend or acquaintance. Jealousy or interest in your dating life is significant because it often reveals a hidden layer of feelings. These emotional responses suggest that she's concerned about the possibility of you being with someone else, indicating a level of possessiveness or fear of losing your attention often is linked to sexual attraction. Finding excuses to be alone with you. This is about recognizing isolation tactics. If she's finding excuses to be alone with you, it could be meaningful. Let's understand why creating opportunities to be alone together might signal more than just friendly intentions. When a woman consistently tries to create situations where you are alone together, it's often more than just a coincidence. It can be an intentional move to foster intimacy and privacy away from the eyes of others. This might include suggesting coffee after a group event, asking for your help with something, or finding reasons to stay late with you. These actions suggest she's seeking a more personal and private connection, potentially indicating romantic or sexual interest. It's an opportunity for her to express herself and interact with you without external distractions or pressure, possibly hoping to deepen the relationship. Creating opportunities to be alone together is significant because it demonstrates a desire for privacy and closer interaction. This behavior suggests that she's comfortable with you and wants to explore the relationship in a more intimate setting. It's a clear indication of interest as it shows she values one-on-one time with you. Initiating late-night conversations. If she frequently initiates conversations late at night, it might be more than just casual chatter. Let's delve into why late-night talks can be associated with intimacy and attraction. Late-night conversations often have a more intimate and personal feel. If a woman is consistently reaching out to you during these hours, it can signify that she feels a deeper connection with you. These late hours are typically more relaxed and private, making them conducive to sharing thoughts and feelings that might not come up during the day. Pay attention to the nature of these conversations. Are they flirty or more personal? Do they seem to seek a deeper emotional bond? Initiating contact late at night can suggest that she's comfortable opening up to you and possibly indicates a level of romantic or sexual interest. Initiating late night conversations is a significant sign because it often reflects a desire for a closer, more personal connection. These hours are generally reserved for people we feel strongly about. Her choosing to talk to you during this time can indicate that she values your connection and may want more. Wearing more revealing or attractive clothing. Noticing if she wears more revealing or attractive clothing around you can be telling. Let's explore the significance of this change in wardrobe and what it might indicate. When a woman chooses to wear more revealing or particularly attractive clothing around you, it might be a deliberate effort to catch your eye. This could include dresses that accentuate her figure, bold colours, or styles that she feels confident in. The key here is the change from her usual attire when in your presence. This shift in wardrobe can be a way of signalling attraction, as it shows she's putting effort into how she looks around you. It's not about the clothes being revealing, it's about her wanting to look her best for you, which can indicate a level of interest. The choice of wearing more revealing or attractive clothing is significant because it often reflects a desire to be noticed and admired by you. This effort in dressing up suggests that she cares about your perception of her and can be a subtle cue of her sexual or romantic attraction. Bonus tip: develop self-awareness and authenticity. Let's delve into why these traits are crucial in not only recognizing but also appropriately responding to these signs of attraction. Self-awareness is understanding your own emotions, motivations, and responses. It helps you interpret her signs of attraction in the context of your own feelings and intentions. Are you interested in her? What do you want from this interaction? Being authentic means being true to these answers and acting accordingly. It's about being honest in your interactions, not pretending to be someone you're not or playing games. Authenticity resonates deeply as it's based on genuine feelings and actions. When combined with self-awareness, it ensures that your responses to her signals are sincere, respectful, and aligned with who you truly are. Developing self-awareness and authenticity is valuable because it leads to genuine connections. It enables you to engage with her in a way that is true to both you and creating a foundation of trust and mutual respect. Authentic interactions are more likely to lead to meaningful and lasting relationships. You've just learned what many men miss about sexual attraction. Now take a deeper dive with the signs a girl wants you to notice her, or explore how girls flirt. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.